In this course, we're taking a look at how we can control the elements on our canvas through interactions. You'll learn which elements can be controlled, and we'll also dive into a specific page and control a slideshow using a custom button I created. It's also possible to control component elements like counters, bars and gauges, with which you can create interactive data visualizations. If you're interested in controlling these types of elements, we've created a separate video just for that. And you can find the link to that right down below. With interactions, we can control certain states of an element. This can be a specific slide in your slideshow, a step in your counter, bar or gauge, or simply playing or pausing a video. Currently in Maglr, the elements you can control with interactions are slideshows, videos, audio files, scrolling indicators, lottie files, but also counters, bars and gauges. I've created this page here on which I've placed a slideshow that contains 5 images. I've disabled the autoplay and swipe options because I want the slideshow to advance only when my custom button is clicked. Because would you look at the awesome animation I created when you hover this button?
Please just stick to the script.
Alright. Okay, so now we need to make sure the button cycles to the next image in the slideshow when it's clicked. To do this, I'm going to the Element Action panel, where we can select the Control Element Click action. Now, via the drop-down menu that appears, I can select the element I want to control. I select my slideshow. A second drop-down now appears, through which I can tell exactly what I want the slideshow to do. I can make the button navigate to the previous or next slide in my slideshow, but I can also make it go to a specific slide. I'll set mine to next, so it advances to a new image every time it's clicked. Preview to see the results, and would you look at that? And that's it for this one. We learned all about the different elements we could control with interactions. Now you know exactly how to control your elements with interactions.